Welcome to my new channel, A1 Information. How are you? I think you are well. I am also well. Today I will talk to you about Asbestos Lawyer. So let's start. Go to Google, search Asbestos Lawyer. We can see here many websites. Go to this website. You can see this face. Asbestos.com. Mesothelioma and Asbestos Lawyers. A mesothelioma lawyer specializes in asbestos compensation, the litigation such as settlement and asbestos lawsuits. The best mesothelioma lawyers work for well-established nationwide law firms with proven track records. Asbestos attorney can help families suffering from mesothelioma diagnosis get compensation to help cover associated costs. Find a top mesothelioma attorney. Go to here. Key facts about mesothelioma lawyers. Mesothelioma lawyers specialize in asbestos litigation and settling out of court to get compensation for their clients. They also specialize in negotiating with asbestos trust funds to access compensation for mesothelioma patients. A mesothelioma lawyer can handle a wrongful death claim for families who lost a loved one to mesothelioma. There are deadlines to file claims. A mesothelioma lawyer can see if you are eligible. Hiring an attorney. Why should you hire a mesothelioma attorney? You should hire a mesothelioma attorney because they are the most qualified to help you file mesothelioma lawsuit. They have the experience and legal expertise to secure the most compensation for your mesothelioma claim. A mesothelioma attorney can represent you in court because they are familiar with the complex legal process involving asbestos and mesothelioma case. Access the tools needed to prove negligence. Get you the compensation you devise for your wrongful exposure to asbestos. Connect with mesothelioma attorney. You don't want just any attorney handling your case. This is your chance to hold Asbestos Corporation responsible for the harm they caused. You should find a mesothelioma attorney with many years of experience working at a notified firm and great track record winning big cases and settlement. Number two, top lawyers qualities. What are the qualities of a great mesothelioma attorney? Experienced mesothelioma lawyers, especially in asbestos litigation, including mesothelioma lawsuits, settlement, and claims against asbestos trust fund. Some of the top asbestos lawyers work for well-established national law firms such as Whitis and Laxaverian and Simeon Harnley Carney. Those attorneys have experienced successfully repairing mesothelioma cancer patients and their family to option the largest possible recovers. Find a top mesothelioma lawyers. Find a mesothelioma lawyers who fits all of those qualities is not easy and takes time. Let us help you and your loved ones connect the most qualified attorney. Find a top mesothelioma lawyers. The best mesothelioma lawyers should have the following question. Provide a free case review. Experienced asbestos attorney offer free consultations that address your legal options or you or your loved one with no obligation. Track record of success. Successful mesothelioma lawyers have a proven track record of winning asbestos lawsuits, optioned successfully barricades, and recovering large settlements for their clients. Years of experience. Those lawyers and their mesothelioma law firms have decades of experience filing mesothelioma cases, representing patients and families in court, and are well versed in state asbestos laws and federal legislation. Nationwide availability. Asbestos lawyers should be able to travel when gathering information about case and have practice in many states. Good communication skill. We want an attorney who make you feel comfortable when talking about intimate health and work details as well as answering your questions so you understand the process. Associates database. Mesothelioma lawyers have associated database containing information about companies that used asbestos and manufactures asbestos products, as well as their tools not generally available to the types of attorneys who don't specialize in mesothelioma cases. Knowledgeable about compensation. A mesothelioma attorney provides legal help and should explain to you all of the types of potential compensation that may be available to you and your loved ones. Financial compensation may be available through a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos trust fund, VA benefits, works compensation, and more. Option 3. What expense can legal compensation cover? Legal compensation for mesothelioma can cover a variety of expenses related to the cancer diagnosis and its impact on families. Common expense for mesothelioma patient: treatment cost, lost OS, where guest cost, travel expenses, therapy and grief support, funeral expenses. Don't wait to seek compensation. There are different types of mesothelioma claims, including a personal injury and wrongful death claims. Each type of claim is subject to status of limitation that vary by state. File a claim today. Number 4. Claims types. Types of claims mesothelioma lawyers handle. A qualified asbestos lawyer will help you decide the best way to pursue compensation, what year it is, though a settlement or verdict from a mesothelioma lawsuit, or though an asbestos trust fund claim. Some of the top mesothelioma law firms have on staff military inventors who help other vendors receive compensation for asbestos related illness, though via claims and legal claims. Personal injury layout, wrongful death suits. A personal diagnosed with mesothelioma can file a personal injury lawsuit against one or more companies that may be responsible for their illness. Wrongful death lawsuits. The estate of a person who died from mesothelioma may be able to file a wrongful death lawsuit against one or more compensation. The exposed the dearest exposed mesothelioma settlement. The vast majority of mesothelioma lawsuits never go to trial, although a jury verdict may result in a larger damage award. Mesothelioma settlements typically with a faster payout of damage. Asbestos trust funds. Bankrupt asbestos compensation have a set aside billions to compensate people diagnosed with mesothelioma. Qualified asbestos lawyers are well versed in the asbestos trust fund claim process. Recent mesothelioma settlement and awards. Mesothelioma lawsuits have helped thousands of people receive compensation from companies that negligently exposed them to asbestos. Because every case is unique, it is difficult to accurately determine your case value. 117 million, 75 million. Retired banker Stephen Longs ill and has wife on 117 million in 2018 against consumer good Kent Johnson and Johnson's and Tail Splary Imperatively America Langlois claimed the developed mesothelioma after using asbestos contaminated claimed powder products from 1979 to 2003. In 2017, the wife of race car driver won a mesothelioma lawsuit in New York against a group of auto part manufacturers. For years, she had swept the grass where her husband worked with asbestos containing cast, which cried no warning about health risks from asbestos exports. $32.7 million. Tri-plant worker fingerprints was awarded $32.7 million in a 2020 lawsuit that enabled his serving family to pay medical bills and cover lost wages. He was exposed to asbestos PIP insulation working at a Faircent Tribe plant in Wilson, North Carolina for 20 years. $29.4 million. Talcum powder user Teresa Lawsuit was awarded $29.4 million in a 2019 lawsuit against Johnson and Johnson to help cover medical expense and lost income. Left east, the companies claimed she debt mesothelioma using its asbestos containment topical powder for 20 years. The California jury awarded $5 million of the verdict to her shop. Top law firms, top mesothelioma law firms. The best asbestos lawyers are founded at the top mesothelioma law firms. Those firms have teams of attorneys or specialist diagnosticists. They have a proven track record of winning case and negotiation settlement for people affected by mesothelioma. According to leading industry report, the nation's top 10 mesothelioma law firms handle more than 70% of annual mesothelioma claims in 2020. Wittis and Lexberg scored $43 million for a mesothelioma patent after a jury found Elmore Hardwards Insurance responsible for asbestos exports. Wittis and Lexberg. Wittis and Lexberg is a national firm headquartered in New York City. For more than 30 years, it has helped families affected by mesothelioma. The firm has worked on more than 33,000 asbestos cases and secured $8.5 billion to verdict and settlement for their clients. Simmons Hangley Cannery. Simmons Hangley Cannery is headquartered in Alton, Illinois. The firm has recovered more than $99 billion for fixed asbestos exports since it was founded in 1999. Its lawyers secured the legal signal patent mesothelioma verdict in US history within 2005 $1 million verdict for a settle working in 2003. Coney and Conway. Coney and Conway is a national firm based in Chicago. It has handled mesothelioma and asbestos lawsuits since 1973. The firm has recovered billions of dollars in compensation for its clients, including thousands of $1 million settlements and numerous multi-million dollars verdicts. Name of Law. Name of Law has recovered more than $500 million for families facing mesothelioma, including several barricades exceeding 10 million each. The farm handles cars throughout the US with office in Salt Lake City, Pittsburgh, New Orleans, Dallas, and Houston. Clare, Diabetes, and Oxmian. Claire D. Roberts and Oxmian has served victims of mesothelioma for more than 35 years, which has allowed the national firm to develop an unplayed database of evidence against asbestos product manufacturing. The firm handles cases throughout US with office in Dallas, Los Angeles, and Honorable. Belongs recovered. The best law firms have a history of getting large verdicts and settlement for families affected by mesothelioma. We can contact you with a law firm that can get you the compensation you devise. Connect with the top law firms. Number 6. Settle law. Mesothelioma legal information by state. Laws, products, and rules relating to asbestos claim vary from state to state. Some state courts are considered more aligned to business, while other courts tend to be more sympathetic to people harmed by asbestos exposure. Experienced mesothelioma attorneys understand the difference between jurisdictions, including filing deadline for each state. Key states for asbestos litigation include California, Florida, Gregoria, Illinois, Louisiana, New York, Hawaii, Pennsylvania, Texas. Request your free mesothelioma legal guide. Learn about your legal rights, including how to choose an attorney, qualify for compensation, and case access trust fund. Get your free guide. Number 7. FAQ. Common question about mesothelioma lawyers. We answer frequent asked legal questions about how to receive compensation for mesothelioma because it is complex process. Don't let microspend prevent you from seeking imprint legal help from specialized asbestos lawyers. What is a mesothelioma attorney? A mesothelioma lawyer works for a law firm specializing in asbestos case and will help you plus compensation from mesothelioma and other asbestos-related illness. Who is eligible to file a mesothelioma lawsuit? When should I hire an asbestos attorney? Will I need to travel to meet with a good mesothelioma attorney? How much does it cost to hire an asbestos lawyer? How can I prove my mesothelioma was caused by asbestos exposure? Do I sue the mesothelioma or the government? Can I still meet with my mesothelioma lawyer during the COVID-19 pandemic? Thank you guys. To know more, please subscribe my new channel A1 Information and click the bell button can get next information video. Thank you.